As far as the S&P goes today, breakdown, right? That was absolutely amazing. About time we got a red day. I did not buy the dip. I did close out my puts that I was in today. That was just a great trade. The reason why I didn't swing them over is just because with this trend has been so ridiculous. I do expect tomorrow to be green, but we'll see how green. I don't think all-time highs, but do we jump up, test this zone, sell off again? And if we sell off again, do we get back right to where we were? Do we put in a lower low? Are we finally going to get like a leg down, or are we going to just jack around and go sideways for a little bit? So right now, I expect tomorrow to be green. Let me hit some buttons over here. Let's see. Do we have anybody talking tomorrow? So we got the 18th. Jobless claims. Oh, tomorrow's Thursday. This week is flying by. All right, so we got jobless people. As far as the NASDAQ goes, talk about blowing through zones. Did we even hang up? Man, we didn't even stop to even say wait. That's rare. I did not get back into LABD again. No more red. No, full send. I'm actually very shocked to look at this and not see. I planned on buying it right here. That's crazy. So I slept right past my alert. I 100%, like I told you guys, if I was awake, I actually would have bought right here. It would have just been an L. This would have been a knife catch right here, just an oversold bounce. We got a gap up on the open. I would expect it to hit that zone. I'm using my phone right now, but as soon as we get off here, I'll probably go long an NQ contract. I will put my stop below this wick. Guess who did buy it? Cody, did you buy the dip down here? I would just put my stop. If you bought in that zone, I'd put my stop in the green right below that wick. Fingers crossed the overnight low liquidity doesn't tag you out, and we can ride that up into the next zone. I would worry about this right here. Essentially, all that's going to be is a bear flag. Tech has absolutely needed a pullback. It's been killing it. Speaking of killing it, it's going to be my put position on the Russell. And by killing it, I mean they're literally killing my put position. So, I appreciate that. Could stab somebody. Just kidding. Oh, I am just kidding. As far as any violence, this is not a violent. I would never actually harm or hurt a fly. I would never even pick the wings off a fly. Please don't. I already got warned the other day because I said the R word. All right. As far as the Russell goes, man, I got to say that just looks like a bull flag. I thought overbought. I thought we'd get a pullback as it sits right now. That looks like we're just getting ready to, like the bulls are just taking a quick little breather, getting a sip of water before they charge to the next zone. I mean, we're incredibly overbought, but you hear me say this all the time, indicators cool off. So, like when I say when stocks push up, they pull over or pull back. When they pull over, your EMAs catch up, your RSI cools down, your MACDs, the stochastics start to reverse again. And then next thing you know, like the little retail guys are back on board. I saw Don swat a fly. I could hear it screaming. All right, DJT, I am still in that due to my lack of paying attention. It's done nothing. I thought about adding on. I might tomorrow, but the last thing I want to do is just add on right in the middle of these zones and then just watch it go all the way down. This is just one that I want to see if I can catch another spike, see if it doesn't get crazy. I'm trying to think. NVIDIA.